In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Canva dashboard and start a new design. When you first open Canva, the first thing you'll want to do is sign into your account. This gives you access to your saved projects, personalized recommendations, and all the tools connected to your workspace. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard, which is where most of your work in Canva begins. Take a moment to look at the left sidebar, because this is one of the most important navigation areas on the screen. From here, you can move between sections like Home, Projects, Templates, and Apps. The Home section is where Canva gives you a general overview of your activity and suggestions. Projects is where you can find the designs you've already created, so it's especially useful when you want to organize or reopen existing work. Templates helps you explore ready-made design layouts for different purposes, and Apps gives you access to additional tools and integrations that can expand what Canva can do. At the top of the screen, you'll see the search bar. This is a very helpful shortcut, especially if you already know what you're looking for. Instead of manually browsing through different sections, you can use the search bar to quickly find templates, photos, videos, or even specific design types. This can save a lot of time, particularly when you're working on a deadline or trying to find inspiration fast. If you're ready to begin something from scratch or start with a preset format, go to the top right corner and click Create a Design. This is where you can start a new project. Canva will usually offer a variety of design sizes and categories, making it easier to choose the format that matches what you need, whether it's for social media, presentations, or print materials. Back on the home screen, you'll also be able to browse your recent designs. This is useful if you want to continue working on something you started earlier without having to search for it manually. Your recent designs are typically displayed in an easy-to-access area, helping you pick up right where you left off. Finally, if you click on your profile icon, you'll open a menu with account-related options. From there, you can access your account settings, switch teams if you work in more than one workspace, or sign out when you're done. Knowing where these controls are can make managing your Canva account much smoother. That's the basic layout of Canva's dashboard and how to get started with a new design. Once you're comfortable with these main areas, using Canva becomes much faster and more intuitive.